Hi guys, sorry I didn't post a video earlier this week because I was sick. But anyway, and Maddie, happy belated birthday. I'm really, really sorry I forgot. Before I leave Australia, I need to try Vegemite. So, I'm gonna do it live for you on camera. Smells horrible. Weird.
You need to smell it, but don't you say that.
I did. I'm not kind of like old bread and wine and I don't know. So, anyway, cracker. It looks like death. It's like this goop. Okay. It's like evil Nutella. Water? It tastes really salty. Oh my god. This is awful. How do people eat this? Oh my god. Oh, that's bad. Don't try this, guys. Ew. You want water? Yeah, thanks. Oh my gosh.
I'll swallow it.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
You could eat another cracker to make it go away.
That was awful. Don't try some.
You probably just got too big of a chunk for the size of other stuff.
That was really small. You try it.
I will.
It's awful. Anyway, guys, I'll see you at VidCon. Bye.